DC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, scattered tropical showers and thunder showers remain in the forecast for Acadiana tomorrow, Friday, but then drier conditions this weekend. But we're still dealing with the outer effects of Tropical Depression Imelda, or the remnants thereof, with the threat of severe flooding back to the west as we head into the overnight hours. Here's the 12-hour loop here showing the center of circulation just about up by Lufkin. All the heavy rain now on the eastern side, but we could see more back building of activity closer to Houston later tonight or into tomorrow morning. But as of this evening, the very heavy rainfall across southeast Texas. And this is what we saw on the radar. Look at all the lightning here. But here's a 12-hour loop, and you see the tropical showers. They moved across the area, put down some locally heavy downpours, gusty winds, typical tropical showers and storms. Sometimes they can produce wind damage. Might see that again tomorrow, but we think lesser effects as we go through the day. But I'm going 70% on the rain chances tomorrow, and over just the last few hours, it's been pounding by the Winnie area south of Beaumont and by the Lake Arthur area. The Port Arthur area, not Lake Arthur area. But look at all this cloud to ground lightning. This is translating to rainfall rates about 3 to 4 inches per hour, and it's lasting about 2 hours. So do the math, 8 inches of rain in 2 hours, flooding, and we have flash flood warnings going in these spots right now. And some of that rain edging into Louisiana, mostly lighter rains, but still several inches of rain likely across portions of Beauregard into Calcasieu and portions of Cameron Parish. Drier, more stable air as we get farther to the east in Acadiana, and that's why the Weather Service maintaining the flash flood watch for extreme southwest Louisiana. It got expanded earlier today all the way up through Shreveport in the western part of the state, and flash flood watches across all of southeast Texas. Here are the flash flood warnings that are ongoing right now, mainly all south and east of the Houston metro area, so at least it's good Houston's not seeing the rainfall. Typical with these tropical systems, they spread out during the day, then they concentrate again near the center at night, and this may even build back more to the north toward the Lufkin area tonight, but you can see who's under the gun at area under southeast Texas during the course of this evening. Elsewhere in the tropics, it is a busy scenario. Tropical wave here by Puerto Rico and Hispaniola. Some of this moisture may try to get into the Gulf of Mexico. We'll keep an eye on it. Low rain, low chance of developing. We have Jerry, we have Umberto, another tropical wave that has potential to develop behind Jerry, and then farther to the east, another tropical wave coming off the African coastline. I would think the National Hurricane Center is going to begin to talk about that in another day or two. They did yesterday, but not today. Meanwhile, Umberto bypassing the core, bypassing Bermuda, but they had hurricane force winds there this evening with this outer rain band. So this is a large storm, fortunately beginning to move away, but Bermuda is going to see tropical storm force winds overnight tonight through early Thursday. Then the system moves out to sea, goes extra tropical, but could produce strong winds across the Canadian Maritimes from Nova Scotia to New England. Meanwhile, Jerry getting more organized, 65-mile-an-hour winds. Tropical storm Jerry expected to become a hurricane and come close to the northeastern Caribbean, where there are tropical storm watches going right now. Then it begins to curve out to sea, we do think, and unfortunately Bermuda may see another tropical system in about 6 or 7 days. Hopefully not a hurricane, but we'll watch that for our friends there. But no Gulf threats for now other than tropical waves in our future and what we have going on right now. So again, the remnants of the Imelda still producing that heavy rainfall, southeast Texas, eastern Texas, extreme southwest Louisiana. Then going into tomorrow, I think we see a scattering of tropical showers again moving across the area and then diminishing during the evening. And then we'll do it all over again on Friday. Heavier rains building up toward North Texas, and again, southeast Texas may still be under the gun. Scattered storms again Friday. I'm going to keep rain chance in the 60 to 70% range tomorrow and about 60% for Friday. Here's the Euro model earlier today indicating up to a foot of rain possible eastern Texas, but the shorter range models like the RPM model, look, this run just coming in. Well, we could throw out a 40-inch rainfall, but it tells you a very dangerous situation in southeast Texas. We'll go to the high resolution rapid refresh models. And again, we give you these numbers plotted up. They're not rooted in reality, but it gives you an idea that the rainfall could be quite intense. 10 to 15 inches of rain in these areas of cream color, and there might be a few 20 inches all the way back through Texas. So we'll watch the situation there. Not as bad as we get over into Louisiana. Again, you can see the bulk of those heavy rains pretty much stopping right at the Sabine River. We hope, fingers crossed, for our friends in southwest Louisiana. So showers possible west tonight. The main focus in Texas, warm and humid, 74 the low. We'll keep rain chance at 30% just to keep things covered. 70% chance of scattered showers and storms tomorrow. We'll keep it in the mid 80s for a high tomorrow. Same for Friday, and then this weekend, drier air moving in. Rain chances down, temperatures back up, and more sunshine into early next week. And it looks like it'll be at least 90 degrees for the first day of fall. No cold fronts in the future in the 10-day forecast. That's it for weather right now. We'll be right back right after this.